Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I am teaching an important class, that is comparison test first type. Comparison test first type of sequence and series. Let's see. Comparison test first type. If summation un and vn are two positive term series, if summation un and vn summation are two positive term series and k not equal to 0, a fixed positive real number independent of n, a fixed positive real number independent of n, and there exists a positive integer m such that un is less than k vn, un is less than k vn for all n is greater than equal to m, then number 1 un is convergent if vn is convergent, and number 1 summation un is convergent if summation vn convergent, and summation vn divergent if summation un is divergent. Again I state that comparison test first type, if summation un and summation vn are two positive term series and k not equal to 0, a fixed positive real number independent of n, and there exists a positive integer m such that un is less than equal to k vn for all n greater than m, then summation un is convergent if summation vn is convergent, and summation vn is divergent if summation un is divergent. Let n greater than equal to m, then Sn equal to u1 u2 un, and Tn is equal to v1 v2 vn. Okay, now for all n greater than equal to m, we have Sn minus Sm putting up to m putting up to n, then if you deduct it, then you get um plus 1 u plus um plus 2 un. Now what is this um plus 1 um plus 2, that is k v m plus 1, so this is less than equal to this, write this, and we put Tn is equal to v1 v2 vm, and that's why vm plus 1 is equal to Tn minus Tm, Tn minus Tm, so write here Tn minus Tm, then Sm taking right hand side, then Sn is less than Ktn plus Sm minus Ktm. Okay, now Sn equal to Ktn plus H, this is, let this equal to H, where H equal to this. Now if Vn is convergent, then the sequence Tn of its partial sum bounded above, otherwise it will not converge. If summation Vn is convergent, then the sequence of Tn of its partial sum is bounded above. So the number b such that Tn less than equal to b, Tn less than equal to b. So Sn is less than equal to Kb plus H for all n greater than equal to m. The sequence Sn is bounded above. Thus here we prove the sequence is bounded above. So un is convergent. So un is convergent as because Sn equal to u1 dot un, that is summation un. So summation un is convergent. Number two condition, number one condition, un summation un is convergent if summation vn is divergent. Summation vs is divergent if summation is convergent, un is divergent. So here summation un is divergent, that's why is divergent, then the sequence Sn of its partial sum is not bounded above. If bounded above, then it is convergent. So summation Us is not bounded above. So if G be any number, however large, how there exists a positive integer m0 such that Sn is greater than G for all n greater than equal to m0. Put here G and G minus H by K is less than equal to Tn. So then from 1 for then Vn is for all greater than equal to maximum m0, Tn is greater than equal to 1 by K G minus H. Putting here Sn is greater than G and taking H left hand side and dividing by K, then Tn is greater than equal to 1 by K into G minus H. So Tn is greater than equal to K G minus H. So sequence Tn is unbounded, as because G is unbounded, so Tn is unbounded, and Tn is the series of Vn, V1 dot. So that is summation Vn. So Vn is divergent. Okay, thank you so much.